guys, and welcome back to my tip. And today we're gonna unboxing this craft box from my friend Luisa. So thank you, Luisa, for this crafting box. Please unboxing video on Facebook or YouTube. So yeah, I'm gonna do this on YouTube and also Facebook. So I really appreciate it. Thank you, Luisa. So let's just open it. Oh look! There's a lot here. Cool. Whoa. We can also add some decorations like this flower and this because I know. Ooh, cool. Look at that unicorn. We got 3 pom-poms. I thought there's just 2. There's 3 pom-poms. There's just like a bunch of acrylic paints, or I don't know what is that. I think it's acrylic paint. There's a bunch. Is that already acrylic paint? Yes. Okay. We got some post-it. Cool, huh? Post-its. We got some bunch of beads. Cool. There's a bunch of, ice cream. It makes me just like want some ice cream right now. There's a bunch of ice cream here. There's a purple one, my favorite color. There's chocolate and some blue ones. I think that's minty green, I guess. Minty blue or green, I don't know. There's a yellow one. There's a pink one and also a chocolate one. There's mixed 2 chocolate. There's 2 butterflies. The blue one and also the orange one. There's a tape, which I really like because there's a little cute. It's so cute. Oh, there's another. I didn't see that. And I got some of these or something. We've got another beads, which is wait. There's an A. Look at that, guys. There's a T too. Wait. Yeah, cool, huh? It's ATA. Wait. It's just like it's like someone always called me just like Atta. So yeah, this is all the set. So let's get started. Okay, I think I'm just gonna make Oh, hey guys. And I already decided, so I'm just gonna make just like a bracelet. Because I kind of like bracelets when I just whoa, I like bracelets. Yeah, I like bracelets. Get this. So I put some beads in this container, which is not gonna go anywhere. So I think this is enough, like that. That is all of the beads. So I need my mom to help me about this. So yeah, Mom, can you help me? And I'm gonna show you how to make this knot for you guys, if you guys don't know. So put the knot just like the string, and then just like your finger here, and put it just like that. If it's already just like this, we're gonna put this. If you are really, cannot do it, just tell your parents or who. Okay. So you guys, I already made the bracelet. It's so cute. It's so cute, huh? So I'm just gonna share this video on YouTube and Facebook. So tomorrow I'm gonna make another one with this pom-poms, or with this sequin, or another with this. About this tape, this butterflies, a acrylic paint sticky. Another bead, I guess. Gonna put in some compounds and this. Well, I don't know what I'm gonna make, so see me on tomorrow, guys, okay? Bye-bye. I'm gonna share this in YouTube and also Facebook. So don't forget to like, share, comment, and also subscribe. The most important thing is subscribe. So see you guys next time. Tomorrow, I guess. Next time. Not next time, but tomorrow. Bye, guys. Whoopsies.